Hey there, hey, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. In this video here, I want to show you live right here on this screen here how to manifest and how to use meditation in a very distinctive way to get what you want. Now, I know that sounds crazy, right? And maybe you've never meditated before, but I'm going to show you the easiest way to meditate. I actually do it here from my bedroom, and I'm going to show you right here live in about 60 to 2 minutes how to meditate in a very distinctive way to get the things that you want. Now understand this. The first step of meditation, I used to get this wrong. For 7 years, I made no money in business. My life sucked. I filed bankruptcy. I've lost cars. I've been to jail a few times, right? My life was very, very piss poor. But when I got introduced to meditation, as a matter of fact, you may hear a frequency right now as you're listening to this video. And at the end of this video, in the link below, I'm going to give it to you for free so you can use this over and over again, and you will realize how powerful your mind is to get the things that you want. First step, you must have an intention. What does that mean? Well, you got to get clear about what you want, okay? You might say, Wesley, I know what I want. I want millions of dollars. No, you don't. You don't want little pieces of paper with dead presidents on it. What you want is the lifestyle. What you want is to travel the world. What you want is to go buy clothes. You want to eat at the 5-star restaurants. What you want is never to work a 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life. Can I get an amen? Now listen. What I'm going to show you right here, as a matter of fact, hey, you, do it with me. Why not? Go find your favorite chair. I do it in the bed every morning. I've been doing this for 5 years. I've manifested over $30 million. I have 10 different companies online. My parents no longer work a job because now I retired them. I bought many cars, many homes. I've blessed many people. And I want to bless you in this short video and show you very, very how easy it is to meditate and manifest wealth. Okay, so look, go ahead and sit down for a second. All right, now this is more powerful. You may hear the frequency. I'm gonna turn it up because I want you to hear it clearly here, and I want you to sit up straight. Okay, now the thing is, for this to be powerful, your head, make sure your head is not leaned back like this, because you may fall asleep, and we don't want that, okay? What we're trying to do is manifest things faster, okay? So watch this. I want you to sit down, take your hands. Your hands don't have to be like this. You don't have to be like a monk, right? Take your hands and put them like this. Put it in your lap and relax. Now, it's important to find yourself a private room, maybe your bathroom, your closet, right? Get away from the crazy negative people, right, in your house. Because I'm going to show you in 60 seconds, I'm going to take your mind in what I call the 5th dimension, okay? It's where everything works. It's where all your dreams are achievable, okay? And listen, I've done this over and over again, and I have a very blessed life, and I want to share this with you for free. Now, like I said, at the end of the video, in the link below, I would give you the frequency. The sound that you hear right now is the most powerful sound that I've ever used when I meditate, and I'll explain that later in the link once you click it after this video. But you take your hands like this in your lap, and you take a deep breath through your nose. Hold it. Then exhale and relax. And you want to do that again. Take a deep breath through your nose. Exhale. And the more that you listen to my voice, and the more that you take a deep breath and exhale, your mind and your body starts to relax. And the more you listen to the sound of the frequency, your body, your arms, your shoulders, your legs are now relaxed. And at this moment, as you hear my voice asking you to close your eyes at this very moment are closing. And your eyes are closing as you take another deep breath And exhale, slow, and go deeper and deeper. 1, deeper 2, down, deeper 3, down. And the more you listen to my voice, your body relaxes and your mind is relaxed, ready to accept suggestions that would allow you to take action towards your goals and dreams, so you will right now manifest them faster. And as your body is more relaxed and as your eyes are closed, they're glued shut, to the point now you see your intention. Your intention may be you right now earn $10,000 per month. Your intention could be you right now are grateful that you earn $50,000 per month. Your intention may be right now, I am grateful that I have a superb, excellent, profitable business online. Your intention is whatever you want it to be. So right now, I want you to think now about your goals. Think about one dream and one goal. And I want you to put a picture of it in your mind as if that picture is actually taking place. Think about one goal, one dream that you want badly, that you want now. And as you decide to take action right now, and as you hear my voice, I want you to take the picture of that goal, and I want you to see the goal happen. Your eyes should be closed at this point. Your body should be relaxed. I want you to see the goal happen now. I want you to tell me and to think about, what do you smell while you're achieving the goal? What can you taste? What are you able to see while you're achieving the goal right now? Are you traveling first class to your favorite island? Are you eating at a restaurant in Paris at your favorite restaurant, 5-star? Are you uttering those beautiful words to your parents that they never have to work another job? Because you're now a multi-millionaire now. You're now successful now. And these words that I suggest to you, you feel these words to the deepest part of you that you are a multi-millionaire now. And as you feel that, you start to get happy because you can see the money flowing into your bank account. You can see the faces that are happy because you are now an accomplished, achieved individual now. Everything is working out in your favor now. Everything that you touch turns to gold now. And I'm going to count down from 5 to 1. And as your body is relaxed, when you hear 1, you will be more relaxed. You will feel with energy. You will feel powerful. You will feel confident to move and take action boldly towards your dreams, because your dreams are happening now. 5, 4, as I get closer to 1, you feel more relaxed, you feel more energy, you feel ready to take action with the one thing that's in your face right now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Now, how do you feel? Now listen, most of you may be thinking, wow, Wesley, I can feel the dream happening. I can feel when I was on that plane flying around the world. I can hear the words and I can see my parents' tears coming out their eyes because they now would never work another job based off my success. I want you to go through that over and over again. That's what I've done. I've created a magical life. And now you have the opportunity to manifest wealth faster doing this meditation process. Do it one time in the morning, do it afternoon, and do it right before bed. It's the most powerful ways. And what I would like to do in the link below, if you want it, you don't have to get it now, but it's the frequency that you hear. You will hear this again in the link below. Use it because it takes your mind into a theta state. And I'll explain more of that in the link below. I love you. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Remember, before you click the link, or even if you never see another Wesley $1 Billion Virgin video again in life. Look, you don't get what you want out of life. You get what you picture. Much love. Let's go.